Hello there. This video we are going to talk about ADATA Nobility NH01 portable hard drive repair and data recovery. Inside of a ADATA Nobility NH01 portable hard drive is a 2.5 inches SATA hard drive and a SATA to USB converter. The ADATA Nobility NH01 portable hard drive problems can be categorized into three. Problem 1, SATA to USB adapter damage. Problem 2, hard drive PCB board damage. Problem 3, hard drive disk assembly damage. Problem 1, SATA to USB adapter damage. If the SATA to USB adapter damage, we have the two following options. First, fix the adapter directly. Second, connect the hard drive to another SATA to USB adapter or external enclosure or to another computer. For the most cases, the second method is much more easier than fixing the adapter. Hard drive PCB board damage. If the hard drive PCB board is damaged, we have the two following options. 1. Fix the PCB board directly. 2. Swap the PCB board. For the most cases, swapping the PCB board is much more easier than fixing the PCB board. PCB board swap Step 1. Take the hard drive out from the enclosure, find out the brand name of the hard drive and the model number of the hard drive. Locate the PCB board number. Different brand name, different model number, different PCB board. The PCB board number and the location are different. If you have difficulty to find out the PCB board number of your hard drive, you may go to hddparts.com, input the hard drive model number and some information on the PCB board to find out a similar hard drive and a similar PCB board number as a reference, so you can eventually find out your PCB board number. After knowing the hard drive model number and the PCB board number, you may use them as a reference to search for the correct donor board. We found the correct donor PCB board for the hard drive, but this is only the first step. The next step is we have to do the PCB board firmware transfer to make the donor board work on the original hard drive. PCB board swap Step 2. PCB board firmware transfer. PCB board firmware. PCB board firmware is the information data on the PCB board. It may be in the memory chip or in the main chip on the PCB board. For this model hard drive, we have to do the PCB board firmware transfer first, then we swap the PCB board. Otherwise, the new board will not work on the original hard drive. Why do we have to do the PCB board firmware transfer? Because for this model hard drive, one PCB board includes two parts, hardware and firmware. The PCB board firmware includes hard drive's unique configuration data. The hard drive needs this unique configuration data to work, so we have to transfer this unique configuration data from the original board to the donor board. Then the donor board can work on the original hard drive. Regarding the hard drive PCB board firmware transfer, we have three things to mention. First, PCB board firmware transfer is different from the hard drive firmware upgrade. The PCB board firmware transfer is to transfer the PCB board firmware from one board to another board. The hard drive firmware upgrade is to upgrade the hard drive's own firmware. It nothing to do with another hard drive or another PCB board. Second, we can do the PCB board firmware transfer from the physically damaged PCB board, like burned, watered, or other kind of damage. Our PCB board firmware transfer success rate is more than 95%. Third, we do the PCB board firmware transfer for our clients for free. This picture illustrated the procedure of fixing a hard drive PCB board. First, the clients send in their PCB board. 2. We fix the PCB board. 3. We ship back the PCB board to the clients. If the hard drive disk assembly is damaged, we can do disk data recovery to recover the data from the disks. The common symptoms of hard drive disk assembly failure are the following. 1. Hard drive makes weird sound. 2. Spin nicely but no access to any computer. 3. Hard drive no spin. Tips: if the storage configured as mirrored hard drives, you can take the bad hard drive out, then put same size or bigger size another hard drive into the bay, and then the storage will mirror the data to the new hard drive automatically. If this trick doesn't work, that means the two mirrored hard drives are both damaged, or the storage was configured as read 0. That means the two hard drives are different. This picture shows the procedure how we do data recovery for our clients. First, the client sends their hard drive to us. Second, we do data recovery. Third, we ship back the data to our clients. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch my video. Any comments are really appreciated. If this video is a little bit of help, could you please click on like to support me? Thank you again. Bye.